I'm Robin Higgins, and this is What Does a Charge Mean in Chemistry? Okay, so a charge in chemistry means that the number of protons does not equal of electrons. Let's go over a couple of examples. Okay, so first, let's say we have an oxygen atom. Now, oxygen is atomic number 8, which means that no matter what, it has to have 8 protons. And for the most part, if it's going to be neutral, that means it's also going to have 8 electrons. But let's say I don't have just an oxygen atom. Let's say I have an oxygen atom, and it also says 2- on it. This means it has an overall charge of -2. So what that means is that it still has to have 8 protons. There's no getting around that. If it has 8 protons, it's oxygen. If it doesn't, it's not oxygen. So how do I combine 8 with another number to get -2? Well, if I think about it, the only number that fits in here is going to have to be -10, because this will overcome the 8, and then it has an extra 2 to become -2. So, a charge in chemistry means that the number of protons don't equal the number of electrons. So in this case, the number of protons, 8, does not equal the number of electrons, 10, and I have a leftover charge of -2. Let's just do one more example. If I said that I had a positively charged lithium, what does that mean? Well, lithium is atomic number 3. We can find this out by looking it up on the periodic table. And if it has a positive charge, it means that it's going to have an overall charge of +1. Because if you just show positive, it's an implied 1. So what number fits here? Well, it's -2, which means that a positively charged lithium has 2 electrons. And you can solve any problem you need to by just using the periodic table and adding up how many electrons and protons there are. I'm Robin Higgins, and this is What Does a Charge Mean in Chemistry?